You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is d equals 50 over 81. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Swap sides. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 810 from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the d. Divide both sides by negative 810. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Cancel out the negatives. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. And so the final result is d equals 50 over 81.